everybody, and welcome to Wheel Stories. It's the start of a 3-day weekend, and I have a big ride on tap. I'm going to be riding through sections of Idaho, Oregon, a small corner of Washington, and then back into Idaho. Now the road awaits, so let's get after it. Now, I begin by riding through Idaho farm country, but eventually the fields and pastures give way to mountain scenery. I'm heading toward Hell's Canyon, where I plan to cross the Snake River into Oregon. I look forward to riding some twisty highways and seeing some spectacular sights. Now, I'm a huge fan of Oregon. The northeast section of the state near Baker City, Joseph, and the Wallowa Mountains is a wonderful place to visit and a sight to behold. In my opinion, for the best views of Idaho's Seven Devils mountain range, you need to be in Oregon. From the top of the Hell's Canyon, on the Oregon side of the Snake River, you can look back into Idaho and see all 7 peaks. Very spectacular. For today's ride, I'm out on my newly acquired BMW R1150R. I picked up this bike used earlier this summer. It's essentially the same bike as my black BMW Roadster, which I intend to keep, but with fewer miles on the odometer. When I bought this bike, it was already dressed for touring, with hard side cases and a top box that gives room for some extra luggage. It also has driving lights on the front forks, which are great for visibility. I think this bike will become my regular long-distance touring rig. Now for my black BMW, I intend to ride it naked. Not naked, but without bags and the front windshield. It's going to be my back road burner. Now this may sound odd, but every time I ride through a thick Oregon forest, I can't help but imagine a chance encounter with Bigfoot. No, it's a thick tunnel of trees and you're riding fast. Was that Bigfoot? Now I'm getting hungry, so I think I'm going to speed things up, get over the summit, and drop down into Joseph, Oregon, where I intend to get a bite to eat. After my quick lunch break and a walk around town, I head up to Wallowa Lake to gather in some sights. Now, if you'd like to learn more about Joseph, Oregon and the Wallowa Mountains, including the lake, check out a video I produced last summer. I'll post the link in the description section down below. Back on the bike, I head north on Oregon Route 3. The windiest section of highway is still ahead. After riding a distance through some gentle farmland, I approach the Rattlesnake Grade. Now, the Rattlesnake is an apt name for this roadway. It winds and coils for many miles, and if you're not careful, the rattlesnake will bite. Some refer to the Rattlesnake as the Spiral Highway. It's a corkscrew. For me, it's serpentine serenity. Now, one feature that's different on this silver bike from my black BMW is servo-assisted ABS brakes. I didn't like them at first, but on the Rattlesnake, I love their brilliant stopping power. Don't you just hate bugs? They cake your helmet, your visor, your jacket, and today the lenses of my cameras. After I finish riding the Rattlesnake, I drop down into Clarkston, Washington, and then cross back into Idaho at Lewiston, where I intend to spend the night. As always, I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Wheel Stories, and if you like this type of video, check out my library. Earlier this summer, I did a video about Yellowstone National Park, Jackson Hole, and the Teton Mountains. I think you'll like it. Now, for Wheel Stories, be sure to like, comment, and share. And until next time, happy trails.